it is all of you that make the Scotch Award great. Often I have said Scotch Awards are not about us, they're about you, about the good work that you're doing, going beyond the call of duty and making India a great country. Whether you are a union minister, whether you are a chief minister, whether you are a prime minister or you are a district commissioner or the head of a gram panchayat or a self-help group worker, each one of us is contributing in our own way to improving a lot of people around us, bringing a strong new Atmanirbhar India. So the key attribute of Scotch Award is it's about celebrating your success. It is not about who's giving it. It is all about who is receiving it. And a testimony to that, as I mentioned earlier, that from chief ministers to prime ministers to, you name the level of people, the kind of people who have graced our platform and our stage and have either endorsed or received the award is absolutely phenomenal. It is one of the most difficult awards to win. The exercise itself is 4 months. You've all gone through it, so you understand it. Scotch Award is never given casually. It's given with a lot of solemnity and a seriousness and a lot of application of mind. So if you have even reached the Scotch Order of Merit stage, you can be rest assured that you're amongst the top 100 projects in India. If you get the Scotch Award, it is possibly akin to getting an Indian Nobel Prize in that area, because these awards are not sponsored, these cannot be bought. There is a lot of uh, lobbying that takes place to get these awards, but it is almost always ignored. So if you got it, it really means that you've done a fantastic job. For me personally, what is most satisfying about the Scotch Award is the fact that the way things get documented, every start part of the award process is documented. It's available publicly to be viewed. And after the award is conferred, then the application of that case study, where all does it apply? You'd find that award winners go on to scale. They go on to become from district to state to national. National things can sometimes go global. People who have been celebrated as, let's say, managing director of a bank go on to become governors. People who are at district commissioner level go on to become secretaries. So there is a long history and track record of us being able to spot the winners and people who are genuinely contributing to India early on. होनहार कूद के पांव पालने में ही दिख जाते हैं. And fortunately, I think we have been uh, lucky in spotting such initiatives and such uh, programs. I had written Modinomics when Mr. Modi was not even nominated as the prime ministerial uh, candidate, but we saw the potential early on, and there were many years, 20 years of my work in Gujarat that came to bear to be able to write um, that book. So if together we can all make India a stronger, a better country, it is that much the more wonderful for all of us, and we salute all of you. No effort is small, no effort is too insignificant. I think it's combination of all this that is making us great. Thank you. I salute you all. I salute all the Order of Merit winners. I also salute the people who did not make it to Order of Merit but did participate, because those efforts may come to bear fruit maybe a year from now, 2 years from now. And I'm anxiously looking forward to the award results as much as you are. With that, over to Gulshan.
Well, thank you so much. And here we go with the announcement of Scotch Awards. The Silver Award in Policing and Justice goes to Islampur District Police for District Command and Control Center, Mr. Sachin Makkar, Superintendent of Police.
Congratulations, Sachin ji.
Yeah,
Would you tell us, I mean,
Thank you, sir.
unfortunately, where is Islampur? And it sounds like a remote district. What is it that you achieved?
Actually, sir, it's a district close to Darjeeling and it's on the borders of Bihar. And one side is Bangladesh and another side is Bihar. So it's not that remote. It's actually part of a revenue district, Uttar Dinajpur. And Islampur is a police district. It's newly carved out last year by bifurcating erstwhile Uttar Dinajpur District Police into Raiganj Police District and Islampur Police District. So it's a difficult area, sir, because of demography and also due to the borders with Bangladesh and Bihar, sir. And thank you very much for conferring this award on us, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Excellent.
Congratulations. Now invite the Department of School Education, Punjab, for E-Punjab School, Silver in Governance, Mr. Rajveer Singh. Silver for response to COVID goes to Tiruvallur District Police for instant responder to improve social distancing, Mr. P. Aravindan, Superintendent of Police.
Congratulations.
Please unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much for this award. I would like to thank Scorch organization for considering this. We promise we won't stop this here just with COVID. We would definitely take technology forward in all aspects of policing. I'm here receiving this award on behalf of our SP, Aravindan sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Mr. Ashish Tiwari, Superintendent of Police, Silver in response to COVID goes to Ayodhya Police for Operation Home Delivery.
Congratulations.
Mr. Tiwari.
Yeah. Congratulations, Mr. Tiwari. Excellent job.
Hello, sir. I am Adar Singh on the behalf of Ashish sir. I am receiving this award.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you for this recognition.
I now invite Karnataka State Remote Sensing Application Center for Forest Fire Monitoring and Analysis, Silver in response to COVID, Dr. Prabhuraj DK, Director.
Good evening, everybody. We are very honored to receive this order from the Scotch. We are thankful to Scotch for recognizing our achievement. I am thankful to Karnataka Forest Department and Director Karnataka Remote Sensing Center for complete guidance. Thank you all.
Well, congratulations. This is incredibly important, as all of us have seen what forest fires can do in California. And I hope something like that never ever happens in India. And what you're doing, possibly a step in.
Yes, it's the first time in India we are doing as a state, sir. Yes, thank you.
Right. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dr. Prabhuraj.
Thank you.
Now invite Mr. Harpreet Singh, Director General, MCR HRD Institute of Telangana, to receive the Silver Award in Governance for Virtual Training Program.
Thank you very much. We are very happy that the training department also is regarded as an important department in the overall scheme of the things. In e-governance also someone was talking about capacity building. So we are everywhere, but often we are not recognized. And we are very important if India has to become a mature democracy, sir.
Yeah, congratulations, Harpreet Singh ji. Now that you've taken over, my one suggestion would be if you could also focus on presenting the content of your training programs. You've understood that you've done a large number of training programs. What needs to be better appreciated is the kind of content that you're producing, and I'm sure under your leadership, very much more path-breaking content would be produced. So next time we do want to see your content in the race rather than the numbers of trainings conducted.
Congratulations, Harpreet ji. Dr. Kajal, Director, Local Bodies, from Uttar Pradesh, Silver in Governance for direct benefit transfer to vulnerable and marginalized population.
Thank you so much. It's really been a pleasure. I know it's been a long journey, but I'm thankful to all the people who took time to listen to what we have been trying to achieve. And I would say it's a privilege. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Kajal. Normally, the Hindi heartland is not associated with, transformation in local bodies at the last mile of the governance. So you seem to have done an incredible job. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Mr. Sumit Sharan, Commissioner of Police from Coimbatore, response to COVID, Silver. Mr. Sharan, is he there?
Congratulations.
Theni District Police receives silver for response to COVID for containment of COVID-19 in the district. Mr. Sai Charan Tejasvi, Superintendent of Police.
Thank you very much. Please, sir.
Yeah, congratulations. Very good job. Please, sir.
Thank you very much for this recognition, sir. It's a recognition for the effort taken by all the police personnel of Theni district and also all the senior officers. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. National Informatics Center, Akola, wins the silver in technology for framework for e-governance of fundamental resources, which is electricity and water. Mr. Nitin Vishnu Chaudhary, Scientist D, and the District Informatics Officer.
Thank you very much, sir. Myself, Nitin Chaudhary, DIO NIC Akola. And as I am working on some emerging technologies, and my initiative is also on emerging technologies, I just want to say something about the changing scenario of the digital governance. So with the cloud technology, nowadays everyone think about the cloud technologies, but the digital governance scenario is changing very fast and some changes need to be adopted for the cloud technology. So the IoT, 5G and Wi-Fi 6, these are the technologies arising very fast, and these technologies generates very high amount of data at the boundary level, at the end user level, and it requires very agile and speedy real-time processing. So accordingly, there are a lot of technologies like fog computing, edge computing are arised, and these technologies provides a speedy, agile, real-time processing at the boundary level, and particularly for the projects like smart cities and driverless cars, and projects which are totally remotely management on the technology. So I feel that this type of emerging technologies are adopted in the particularly in the digital governance along with the cloud infrastructure.
Well, congratulations, Vishnu ji. We have seen normally, frameworks come out of either states or the center, and I'm really happy to see that at a district level from Akola, you have done such a commendable job on making a framework. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
MP State Agricultural Marketing Board and NIC MP State Center, silver in agriculture for E-Mandi and E-Anugya. Mr. Sandeep Yadav, Managing Director, Mandi Board.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Yadav is in the meeting, so I'll be receiving. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and I hope that your effort is not wasted. It is fructified and extended further. I don't think we've heard the last about Mandis, and hopefully something very good will come out.
Thank you very much, Scotch, for the recognition. And I thank at this moment all the employees of the Mandi board to make this initiative successful. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
So D. Gautam Sawang, Director General of Police from Andhra Pradesh, silver in governance for project Cyber Mitra.
Thank you for the Scotch committee for selecting this project for this award. On behalf of my DG sir, Shri Gautam Sawang, and my DAG Technical Services, Shri Palraju sir, we thank the Scotch management for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Bhuj Division Police Department for response to COVID, silver. Mr. J.N. Panchal, Deputy Superintendent of Police.
Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Panchal.
Congratulations, Panchal.
Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of Gujarat Police, DGP Gujarat, IGP Border Range, SP West Kutch, and Team Kutch, thank you very much, sir.
Prakasam District Police, silver in governance for project trainings and activities for technology adoption. Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent of Police.
Okay. Thank you very much, Scotch. Thanks a lot for this recognition. I mean, we're very happy. The whole team, in fact, is watching, and the whole team is quite happy about it, the entire project team. Thanks a lot again. I mean, I said this in the first half. If there are if there is a different audience right now connected, then I'd just reiterate that this project is our attempt to really take technology awareness, technology consciousness, and technology skills down to the last constable, last homeguard, because thus far technology applications and all the modern methods in all government departments, not just police, have remained limited to a small set of small cadres of trained people. So in every department you have a IT team or a special project management division or something equivalent to that, signifying the fact that only about 5% of the organization is really at the cutting edge. So this project is our attempt to make sure that 100% of the organization is up to date with all the latest methods, tools, and technologies that are available, and we'd like to radically increase their efficiency by doing this. So we've made a beginning, and we're actually getting very good result on the field already. People who have been trained under this project and have been sent to the field already, they have started giving results. They've started solving cases. So very soon, we really hope to have this recognized as a best practice. And today, with this, we've taken a significant step towards that. I really do thank you from the bottom of my heart, and on behalf of all the people here who are connected, who've put so much hard work into this. Thank you, sirs. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mr. Kaushal, and I must commend, the digital leadership that you're providing in, Prakasam. There's so many awards that have been won, so many projects that have been evaluated. I think you're doing a wonderful job. Please keep it up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now the Gold Award. Ministry of External Affairs for response to COVID goes to Passport Seva Project. I invite Mr. Golok Kumar Simli, Chief Technology Officer.
No, thank you. Thank you once again to Sri Samit ji, Mr. Danjal, entire team of Scotch for conferring this award to External Affairs Ministry, the Passport Seva Program. I, on behalf of Ministry, from my Joint Secretary and Chief Passport Officers, we really mean it. The kind of Scotch Award has got a name, fame, the uniqueness, the kind of it has an audience at large, so we really feel happy, and we'll continue to evolve. We'll continue to walk towards the ease and of governance for the citizens. Today too, we are a mobile away, we are a tweet away when it comes to passport related services, and we continue to see that at part of Passport Seva version 2. We continue to evolve and continue to deliver excellent services to our citizens and masses at large. We have also proven how a collaboration works between a government, a industry partner, the ecosystem at large, and we'll also continue to evolve in that direction more and more. So thank you once again to Scotch and Sri Samir Kochhar and his team. Thank you.
Thank you, Golokji, for giving such a wonderful leadership to this project, which is already a very mature project. And for a mature project to yet again come back and win the gold is a Herculean task. So commendable indeed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next gold goes to Gujarat Jail Department for response to COVID for Gujarat Prisons Response. Dr. K. Lakshmi Narayana Rao, Additional Director General of Police, Prisons and Correctional Services.
Hello, thank you so very much. I'm Nasiruddin SL, receiving this award on behalf of Additional Director General of Police and Director General of Prison, Dr. K. Lakshminarayan Rao. I'm so thankful to Scotch Group, Team Scotch, Mr. Samir Kocher, for recognizing our efforts, our work. And this has been a bigger motivation for us. And with this, we won't stop. We'll move ahead. And we assure you that we will show much better work ahead. And we will be again in the race. Thank you so very much.
Congratulations. This is possibly the first time that a jail department has been awarded. We have had many police awards, and Gujarat always has been a torch bearer of new areas. So I hope many more jail departments in the country follow what you've
Thank
done.
you so very much. Thank you so very much.
Our gold in technology goes to Indian Council of Agricultural Research for livelihood improvement of tribal farmers through tuber crops technologies. Dr. Maniam N, Principal Scientist.
Congratulations, Dr. Mani.
The Ministry of Railways bags the gold in governance for Rail Mother. Mr. Vinod Kumar Yadav, Chairman, Railway Board.
Mr. Vivek Srivastava, congratulations again.
Thank you, sir. I received this award on behalf of the Chairman of the Railway Board. We are very grateful for getting this recognition from Scotch setup, and we assure you that we will not sit on our laurels, but we will work further to make the citizen-centric delivery actually reach to each and every of our customers. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. I may also mention that all these awards, the hard copies of the awards are being sent to you by courier. You will get them within 8 to 10 days. Do take a nice photograph with your entire team, then which we can put on the website and publicize, and maybe we'll print. It would be very motivating for all of them.
Okay,
I wish I could have
sure.
given this in personal, a hard copy, but that is no longer feasible.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Gujarat.
So that brings us to the end of this round of Scotch Awards.